So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in command prompt. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, now you want to type in dism space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, you want to restart your computer. You can try restarting it by pressing on the start button, but if it still closes, then you want to do Ctrl, Alt and Delete on your keyboard, which will then pull up this. You want to click on the power icon and then click on restart. It's then going to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.